Okay guys, so this is how to apply press-on nails that last. My hands at this point are washed. These are the products that come in your kit. We have the cuticle pusher, the buffer, alcohol swabs, nail glue, and nail tabs, along with, of course, your press-ons that will be in a box. So, the first thing you're going to see me do here with my completely clean hands are push back my cuticles using my cuticle pusher. So we're going to push it all the way back. The goal here is to kind of create a little pocket that I'm going to show you. You'll see that I can slide the cuticle pusher kind of back and forth. And that's kind of where we want to push the press-on nail into. Not so that it hurts us. There we go. So that is me showing you that there's a bit of a pocket. And I'm going to start on the second nail here. And then I'll do the rest and come back to you with the next step. Okay, so I just finished pushing my cuticles back. I'm going to grab my buffer or a nail file and lightly buffer all of my nails to remove any of the oils and to kind of create a bit of a rougher surface so the glue can adhere to our nail better. So I'm going to do the first two nails and then I will finish the rest at fast speeds. What is it? What's the opposite of slow-mo? We don't know. I don't know. And then I'll come back to you. Okay, so now our nails are fully buffed. You can see that they are kind of chalky and dusty, so we're going to use our alcohol swab to remove that dust and whatever oil is remaining on our nails. We have more than one nail. Okay. Okay, so that's done, and I'm going to show you how to use both the glue that comes in your package and the nail tabs. So the nail tabs are better if you wanted to use it for just a day or maybe a weekend. Let's say you're a healthcare worker or you work in the service industry. Maybe you're not allowed to wear nails to work, or maybe you just prefer not to. That would be a better option for you. So first I'm going to show you how to use the glue. And then we're going to go on to the nail tabs. So the last ones you're going to want to do are both of your thumbs, since we're going to use them to press down on our nails. So the first thing we're going to do is put one drop on the actual nail and one drop on your nail. And then we're going to, we're going to take our nail and align it. Make sure that the nail is on straight. You don't want it to be off to the side or crooked, because once it's on there, trust me, it's on. Press it down and shove it into that little pocket that I mentioned earlier that we made with the cuticle pusher, and press down for 30 seconds. Alrighty, and at this point you're going to see me do the next nail the exact same way, counting to 30. I have counted to 15, 20, and that works fine too, but just for the sake of the video and so that you know what the ideal situation is, I counted to 30. So now I'm doing my ring finger, no ring on that finger, but we're still gonna call it a ring finger. Counting counting to 30 again. Oh man. 30 seconds again. Feels like the longest 30 seconds, but totally worth it. Better than waiting in a salon for 3 hours. And done. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to apply the nails using the nail tabs. Again, better for if you wanted to wear it for just one day or maybe a weekend. First, we're going to remove it from the sheet. You'll see I still left there is, what is that, like another tab sheet type on it, thing on it. So the sticky side I'm applying to my nail. Make sure it's covering your full nail. Make sure it is the appropriate size for that nail. Then I'm just going to peel off that little sheet. Almost there. There we go. Got it off. Going to make sure my nail is aligned again. And press it down for 30 seconds again. Now look at that. Those nail tabs are definitely effective. They are on there pretty good. I'm hitting these pretty hard. And then I'll show you, even with the glue, those are on there to stay, hun. We're going to move on, continue with the glue for the rest of the nails, because I want to keep them on for at least a week, 2 weeks maybe. Okay, so all of my nails are secured. Look at that. They're so pretty. Now I'm going to show you how you can make them last a little bit longer. All except for that middle nail, because I used one of those tabs. Again, those are best for my weekenders, people that just want to wear it for a day and night or maybe just the weekend. So you're going to grab your glue, flip your hand over, and actually put just one drop between the press-on nail and your real nail. Just one drop. And we're going to let that dry there. So the reason we're doing this is because usually the press-on nail will come off because it's not secure. Water can get in it when we wash our hands. Therefore, now we're kind of covering all of the sides of the nails by sealing it up there as well. All right, now we want to leave our hands upright so that we don't have the glue dry upwards. We want it to dry kind of into that crevice, right? At this point, we're going to keep our hands dry. Do not wash your hands for about 2 hours. Don't apply lotion or any oils for 2 hours as well. And we're all set. Yay! Woohoo!